welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a day in the life so you guys can come along with me and see how I film my cleaning videos, see just how busy my little life is. So I figured I'd share with you my morning routine as well, but I wasn't about to film myself in the shower. I don't do that unless I'm actually in there cleaning it fully clothed. That's the only time I'll film myself doing that. So I'm already ready, but I will go ahead and share with you what I use to get ready. I'm not a beauty guru, so you know. Okay, so I use this foundation. My friend Cambria actually suggested this for me, and it is amazing for a drugstore. I use this to set it in champagne, although this is a bit dark for me. I would go up a shade next time, or go down a shade. And I use this Too Faced Snow Bunny for a little bit of bronze. I use this Naked Urban Decay Basics because it's matte. I don't like shimmer on my eyes. I use this Brow Define for my eyebrows. And I use this Urban Decay 24-hour liner. I don't know. Yeah, you can't even read it in zero. Love this liner. And I'm using this e.l.f. Jumbo lip gloss stick in the shade Sangria. So I am also filming a morning routine for my cleaning channel, like my morning cleaning routine, but it's too dark right now. It is 7 in the morning. It's too dark to film, so I'm gonna have to film that probably around 10. Because my house doesn't film well at night. My after darks never do well. If it's even slightly dark out, I need the sun to be like full on for it to look good. So right now I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm gonna sit down and answer last night's comments on my done day. You guys have overwhelmed me with the response for the giveaway. That's exciting. Hopefully somebody wins that like needs it. And if they don't need it, then hopefully they can use it to trade for something that they do want. That was my thought in like the basic. First things first, gotta let the dog out for the day. Okay, go ahead guys. Go ahead. Excuse us, we're still working on the fence. Go ahead, pup. But it's a little wet outside. I love our backyard. I think it's so pretty. We just bought caps. We gotta cut the fence post and put little caps. I'm waiting on my coffee to finish brewing, and it's so hard not to clean up in here. We have my margarita machine back there, dishes in the sink. I went to bed last night with a migraine, so I didn't like get a chance to like clean up before I went to bed. I mean, I cleaned it the best I could, and there's just stuff everywhere, and it's very hard for me not to pick up because I know I need to film it a little bit. But I'd like just throw away some trash, and I'm like, dang it, leave it, Jessie, leave it. So this is the mug I'm choosing. This is the creamer that I use, and then I top it with this foam and this caramel because I like my coffee super sweet. Now, since it's Monday, I need to make an Instagram post, so I'm thinking I need my caffeine. I'm sorry, I'm a dork. I need my caffeine. So I'm gonna post my Instagram picture. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment. As I am answering comments, I have to show you. I have this guy snoring away down by my feet. This is where he likes to nap and snore while I try to get some work done. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah. You always have to get the different angles. It takes like twice as long to film a cleaning video than it is just to clean your house. Okay, so I got sucked into watching the Grey's Anatomy / Station 19 crossover. I started watching while I was folding clothes for my cleaning video, and then I kind of got stuck watching till the end. It was pretty intense. It was pretty intense, not gonna lie. And now it is, I think, 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1:30. Oh my gosh. I need to go edit my video. My daughter has a band concert tonight. I need to edit my video, but I wanted to share with you my lunch. Look how fancy we are with the paper plates. And no, these are not rain-done paper plates. I know, for shame. I have leftover chicken taco stuff, so I'm gonna eat those with some of these on the border chips, and I'm gonna edit my video, and hopefully I will get it done before everyone gets home from school / work / everything. So I am getting ready to edit my video. I have this is what I film my cleaning videos on, and I'm not vlogging on this today because I had to do my cleaning video. I'm vlogging on my phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And I'm getting ready to edit my big jug of iced tea. I have my Twizzlers. I have to have a portable hard drive. Like, I use this as another external drive because I just don't have enough room on my computer. This Dell is like 2 or 3 years old at this point. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to take these clips and turn it into a video. I'm not sure how it's going to go. I never know how it's going to go until I actually get into editing. And sometimes it looks like I'm a little overexposed in this clip, which is annoying. But oh well. We'll figure it all out. It's 2 p.m. My kids get home at about 3:10. We have to do... my son has to cut the grass. We need to eat dinner. We have to get ready. My daughter has her band concert at 6 o'clock. Then we're going to be there for probably an hour and a half and then come home. I would love to get this done and edited, at least edited and ready and exporting by the time I leave. And then I want to hopefully not have to work too much late tonight because my husband is home and I don't like working when he's home. So I try to get everything done during the week, but he decided to stay around the area today for my daughter's band concert. So anyway, let me get to editing so I can get this done. So I just like to select all clips and bring them down, and then I will just listen and edit and fast forward and do whatever I need to do, and that way I just cut out all the junk and hopefully becomes something that's motivating for everybody. Okay guys, I didn't make it. Everyone's home. I'm not finished. I haven't done my voiceover yet. My husband's cutting grass. My kids are being loud. Oh, I didn't get to do my voiceover. Alright, lucky for me, I am able to hurry up and do my voiceover really quick. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. He started mowing again. This is the microphone that I use. It is a blue Snowball. It's really old. I've had it for a really long time. But it still works, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put in my voiceover, and then I can do the fun things like the music and the text and all that fun stuff. I managed to upload, schedule, thumbnail, all the things. All right, we have everyone and we are ready to go to this little one's band concert for the evening. She's gonna do so good and mommy is so proud of her. So I'm ending this vlog as I started the vlog in my bathroom. I'm getting ready to take a hot bath. I do that every night. I need it. It is my me time. I have no idea how this video turned out. I have no idea if this is even interesting. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Sunday, and I make a vlog type of video on Wednesdays, whether it be den hunting or day in the life or a travel vlog or something like that. So I would love it if you would subscribe.